Hydrogen peroxide, HO, is a versatile, colorless liquid with strong oxidizing properties, widely recognized for its applications in both household and industrial settings. As a mild antiseptic, it is commonly used for cleaning wounds, preventing infections, and maintaining oral hygiene through mouth rinses. In homes, it serves as an effective disinfectant, capable of eliminating bacteria, viruses, and fungi from surfaces without leaving harmful residues, as it naturally decomposes into water and oxygen. Additionally, hydrogen peroxide is a popular agent for whitening teeth and brightening laundry, offering a safer alternative to chlorine-based bleaches. Its environmentally friendly nature, combined with its broad-spectrum antimicrobial properties, makes it a staple in first aid kits and cleaning supplies worldwide. In industrial and laboratory environments, hydrogen peroxide plays a critical role in processes ranging from chemical synthesis to wastewater treatment. Its strong oxidative capacity is harnessed in industries such as paper and textile manufacturing for bleaching purposes, while in environmental applications, it aids in the detoxification of pollutants and the treatment of contaminated water. In laboratories, hydrogen peroxide is used as a reagent in various analytical procedures, including the preparation of agar for microbiological experiments. Despite its wide range of uses, hydrogen peroxide must be handled with care, especially in higher concentrations, as it can cause skin irritation or chemical burns. Proper storage and dilution are essential to ensure safety while maximizing its benefits in diverse applications.